Hello my lovelies, how are you this wonderful evening? I do hope that your day, this Good Friday of ours, was so productive. Mine was. And welcome to this YouTube channel. If you have never seen me before, it means you're new in this channel. My good name is Christabel, and this is a cooking channel where we have fun, we learn, we grow together, we experience life, and we navigate life together. Pull a chair because you are going to be learning a whole lot in this channel. And as you learn, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And with me, I am joined by
Fabian.
Allow me to introduce my ingredients. Here I have omena. This is about half a kg of omena. Pull up. My friends from Western Nyanza, it is half time. It is half time for you. We know that we're supposed to buy omena with gorogoro, yes, but I feel like we build up to that point. Wacha kwanza tununue na kilo. Kidogo tutafika hapo kwa gorogoro. So here is about half a kg of omena. And the trick about omena is that you need to wash it. Wash it properly. First pick it, because the process of harvesting and transporting omena is not the most hygienic of processes. And to this omena, I am going to be adding hot boiling water. You need to wash it, give it a deep clean with some hot water and or cleaning agent. For me, I am going to be using lemon, but you can also use white vinegar. So we are going to be leaving this omena here for about 10 minutes, just so that we can scale it with the acidity and the hot water, and also to soften it, because after this we are going to be deep frying it. So here I have garlic. I have not half a cup, I think this is 3/4 of a glass of milk. And to this glass of milk, I have added a teaspoon of mustard powder. And then I have my red and yellow capsicum, and then I have my coriander leaves. These are my coriander stalks. This is my onion. Here is my about 3 tablespoons. These are 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then these are 3 tomatoes washed and diced. And then let me introduce you to my spices. Here I have a tablespoon of paprika. I have a teaspoon of curry powder and a teaspoon of nutmeg. Omena is this girl that you should coat with utmost care. Yani unafaa kukua so cautious coating this omena girl, because anything kidogo hivi ushampoteza. I feel like omena's language is words of affirmation. We need to affirm, oh, you're beautiful, you're it for us, we do not see beyond you, so that those affirmations can translate into a good meal. Just see, look at my water. Oneni mnaona hiyo maji? Hiyo maji ni chafu. So we are going to be giving this a little more time. So I'm going to be rinsing it with this. We are going to give it a thorough rinse, like 2 rinses. Na mountain girls wanasemanga ati wanaona omena inawaangalia. Man, hata sina maoni.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 running wild. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
That's nice. That's nice. Why is it nice? Why is it nice? You're asking why is it nice? It's my recipe. You thought it would taste bad? Huh? The girl is eating! The girl is